hey you guys, I am doing a little bit of work from home today, surprisingly, and I wanted to touch bases with you guys because I really wanted to just talk to you guys, tell you a little bit about what's coming to the channel, you know, just give you some updates. So I do have my Real Raw and Busted series launching within the next, it is currently January 22nd, I believe, or 23rd, and probably within the next 24 hours my videos will be officially published and public. So I wanted to let you guys in on that. It's a whole series dedicated to the putting together of my first ever Polish to Perfection makeup class. So it's all the nitty gritty, it's all the real, it's all the raw. I look very busted, that's where I got the name from. But I feel like when it comes to doing stuff in this industry and being a professional in the beauty industry, there's often times where things aren't so cute, but it gets us where we need to be, because my class, thank God, went really well, you know. And I wanted to document most of it really for myself, but also to share with somebody else, because I'm not the first or the only person to do a makeup class, but I am the only one to do it the way that I do things. And I feel like representation and having different perspectives really matters, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So that's what we have so far, and I also have some projects that I'm putting together that I will be filming and taking you guys with me for in the next week for sure. So I got a handful of videos for the Real Raw and Busted series, and then I have another couple videos that are like, they really show, I think, my creative side for real when it comes to like just makeup artistry in general and like what my job is. So that's what we have so far. Also, of course, I got some chit chat videos for you guys, a lot of topics that need to be touched on as far as being a woman in business and a young woman in business, and someone starting up from this standpoint where, if you know me, a lot of what I do for myself, and I don't have anybody really to look to in this field to give me the blueprint. I really just laying it out for myself. So I want to help the next person out and kind of give you some insight as far as that goes. So first two videos are officially uploaded to the channel, so if you have not gotten your notification by the time you see this video, you will have. All I'm saying is the content is definitely giving, like, it's real. I am a little over the play it cute all the time, you know, because a lot of stuff goes into having a profession in the beauty industry, and I want to show y'all everything. Plus I'm uploading everything from my class, so the whole 9 yards, as dusted busted as it is, I just want you guys to really get a feel for what it looks like to do something like this from my standpoint, and hopefully I can help somebody out with their journey, with kind of stepping into themselves and getting their dreams off the ground, because this is my first class and it surprisingly went well. But it's because of all of the stuff that I did on the back page and stuff. So like everything that I'm posting on YouTube, I hope that it really is helpful. So just wanted to give you guys a update, because the video is out. Like, the whole series is, I mean, if you're not already subscribed, I feel like you should be, because this is just like not your regular channel, you know, like, and I rarely do this on my social platforms, like, because I wanted to be real intimate with my actual subscribers. So that's where we're at, and I want to give y'all the inside scoop, the tea on me, because the girls have been asking, so we're going to deliver, and I want to not make any promises, but really just try my best. So that's what this is. This is a platform where we try our best, we put it out into the world, and we hope that it touches somebody. So see you guys in the next few videos. See you guys on my social media platforms. If you haven't already, I will tag them here. And yeah, bye. But I have to literally set the tone right. I don't want nobody to be, oh, she was not a good teacher, or I just felt like everything was just cute, but it wasn't really fulfilling. That's the next to last thing I'm worried about. I don't care about how cute it is. I would rather make sure that you get all that you're going to get out of me that you cannot get from another makeup class. Like, this is a full experience. I am including a